Alright guys, I wanted to make a super quick video to show you how to use vinyl in your Cricut. So first off, you're just going to get a piece of vinyl with the backing still on it. You're going to take your mat, which mine is kind of old, so this one's not sticky at all. You're going to put it wherever you have it lined up on your mat in your in like design space. So you're going to just stick it on there, literally. Make sure you keep the back on there, okay? Then you're gonna throw it. Sorry, bad cameraing. I gotta move my Cricut. So you would open it, you know, normal, everyday thing. Make sure it is set on vinyl. This thing turns vinyl, alright? Then you're gonna grab your mat. You're gonna put it in between that. You're gonna mine is not set up right now because I only can use it on my phone because my laptop is Apple and it doesn't work with that anymore. So I can't show you it actually like cutting it and all that, but I'm just gonna show you how you would go about it the best that I can. Alright, so and then you would hit this button and it's gonna roll it in there for you, and then you would hit the cut button and then it'll cut out your picture. But I'm just going to unload it, so at least you know how to do it. Then you're simply just going to take the entire thing and pull it off. The backing on and everything. And then when it comes to weeding, whatever is cut on it, you're literally just going to pull the back off. Sorry, I only have one hand. You would just pull this off. Pull this off, and then whatever's there, you make sure that it stays there. This is literally just a piece of vinyl. It wasn't cut. You saw that. But say this is what it cut. So then you're going to take your transfer paper, which is a brand new piece. Oh my gosh, ignore my messy basement. This is a brand new piece. It's not the Cricut brand. I don't know. I got it off Amazon. It was one of the cheapest ones for the most amount. And, I mean, it works fine in my opinion. But you're going to take the transfer tape off. If I can get it off. Sorry, one hand. It's not working out. Okay, so once it's off, what I like to do is I stick it to my clothes a couple times. Because this one is specifically very, very sticky. And if it's too sticky, it makes it really hard to get the vinyl off of it. So then you're gonna just stick it on there like so. Take your scraper tool, just do that, and then it should pull off fairly easy. You see how some spots don't, but you just gotta like work with it the best you can. Comes right off. I didn't think this one through very well. I don't know what I'm going to put it on to show you guys. Hang on. I'm going to pause the video. Come right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. I found a, like, clear box thing. Alright, so you're going to shove this wherever you want it. You're going to place it. You're going to take your... Is it not even showing? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, guys. So you're going to put this down. And then, sorry, camera work here. I should have hooked it up to something. But you're going to put it on there, and then you're going to rub it. And then just peel it off. And then you can keep using this piece of transfer tape. I always save them because you can use them like 30 times before it goes bad. And just shove it back on the backing and you're set. You got a cool thing. And vinyl goes on everything. I always see people forgetting to take the vinyl stickers off, so, or the transfer tape off, so don't be that person. It comes off pretty easy. Alright, good luck guys. I hope you have fun cricketing. Bye.